Hey YouTube family, it's your girl right here. I'm back with another video, guys. I have my March IPSY Glam box, y'all. Man, I don't know what happened. Usually this box comes faster, but it was late this month. I mean, I'm in Houston. They're right in Fort Worth, so I don't know what's going on. But anyway, I got this boxed yesterday, to be honest. And it says, this is Celebrate You. March 2020. This is an invitation to celebrate our 100th Glam bag. And you. Oh, 100th Glam bag and you. So this is our 100th Glam bag. Let's high five how far we've come and where we're going to get this party started. Okay, Celebrate You is the thing for this month. And of course, we have all the prices and what we have in here, giveaways for days. March 25th, choose a product. Okay, we got one extra product. I don't know what it was in here, but I ended up getting this, and I know I didn't choose this because I got this in another IPSY box, except this time it has coconut. This is the coffee scrub. I didn't really care for it because it's just like coffee grinds, and you just kind of pour it in your hand, get in the shower. It makes a mess of your shower, but the scrubs, they do feel good, but the mess does not make me want to use it, you know? But yeah, this is the coffee scrub, coconut body scrub. Dampen your skin in the shower. That's what it says. It says this is $21.99. Turns out coffee isn't the only morning zing. It has antioxidants that are great for repairing and protecting your skin. This coffee infused scrub buffs, moisturizes with grapeseed oil, almond oil, vitamin E, so your skin will feel smooth. I'm not a fan of this. Probably not even a difference whether it has coconut in it or not. I just didn't like this. But it says it's $21.99. The next thing I have in here is this Marlene. How do you say that? Marlene Gomez, that's what it says. Your delicate eye area is the first to show signs of aging, so give it some love with a multitasking eye gel. The lightweight texture soaks in skin without leaving behind any annoying residue. Y'all know I have a lot of eye gels open. I'll show you the packaging, but I'm not going to open it. I got too many, you know, I'm not going to squirt it out. I'm going to try to keep it fresh for a little longer, so I can get through the other ones. It takes me forever to go through an eye cream or gel, but this is an eye gel, and it says this is $42. Revitalizing eye gel, Milan Goetz. I've never heard of this, but whenever I get to it, I'll let you guys know how it was. The next thing I got in here, oh, this looks like Stephanie Botanicals. Let me get it up here so y'all can see it. Oh, it's cruelty free. There we go. And this is what it looks like. It says Luna Liner. Like we get an eyeliner every month in IPSY. Every month it's a liner. Cat Eyes Gold coming right up. This liner has a micro tip defense that's perfect. That dispenses the perfect amount of a jet black pigment. Oh, how much was this liner? It says it was $18, so that's not too outrageous. Pretty much the cost of a liner. And again, I cannot tell you how many liners I have. So yeah, it's in plastic inside of the box. So I won't open it just to preserve it for a little while longer, guys. But it looks like it's a waterproof eyeliner. And it says that it's no mineral, no parabens, no phthalates, and it's vegan, no gluten. It's hyperallergenic with kale and ginkgo. I might open this one. It has kale and ginkgo and baboa extracts. I might go ahead and open this one. We'll see. We'll see. We'll probably use it to get ready with me or something. The next thing I have in here is this. What is this? Yensei Super 8 lip oil in pink. Never heard of Yensei. That's what it looks like. Super 8 oil. I can get into it. Oh, okay. I like the packaging of that. That's what it looks like up close. That's pretty thick. Let me open it. Oh, pretty sealed, pretty good. Oh, okay. That's what the applicator looks like. And I'll swatch some right here. Okay, nothing really to swatch. It's just a pink tint. Oh, it smells good too. This might be my favorite thing. Okay, and it's just a super shiny lip oil for lip moisture. Yeah, okay, this is Yensei. Yensei. It says, let your lips live their best life with this tinted oil. It's packaged with 8 different superfoods to supply your lips with the antioxidant nourishment and moisture they need to feel soft and healthy. Add this sheer pink tint. It's gorgeous and universally flattering. And it says it's $24. Yeah, I don't know if I was holding that right. I probably was holding it upside down. But I like this. This is one of the things that I do like before my lipstick application. Okay, guys. Oh, I didn't even think about this. We got a IPSY Glam bag. And it says Unstoppable. And it has the little IPSY logo on the inside. Alright. And it's just a little snap bag with IPSY on the back as well. Okay, super cute. Different bag from other ones we have. See, my eyeliner fits in there. That eye gel fits in there. I'm just trying to show you guys about how big it is. Let me put this Fenty gloss in there. Yeah, that'll hold stuff pretty neat and well inside my purse or down in my work bag. And you know what? This would even be a good coupon holder. So, yeah. Alright. And then we have this, I guess this brush was my gift, a Complexion Culture Precision Concealer Brush. And who was this by? Complexion Culture. This isn't your standard fluffy concealer brush. It has densely packed bristles for a full coverage finish and angled tip for ultra precision and even application when concealing under your eyes. Okay. It is really densely packed. Oh, I like this brush. I like this brush. Oh, well, I should have let y'all see it before I got it all dirty. This is what it looks like. And look how dense those bristles are. Yeah, I like this brush. Y'all know I have become a brush hoarder. I don't know when it happened. It just snuck up on me. But this is another one of the things I'm excited for, guys. And it says this brush, I'm not really excited for. I'm just happy to have it. I don't know what I got going on with brushes now. And it says this brush is $26, y'all. $26. And the very last thing I have in this palette, the very last thing I have in this box is the BALM Cosmetic Auto Balm Day to Night. Now, I did use this today. This says, scoring the perfect smoky eye just got so much easier. Wear any combo of matte and shimmer shades on bare lids. They go smooth and are ultra blendable. Or layer them over the black primer for fun shades shifting effects. It has a tip. Once you've used up the shadows, pop out the insert and save the cute tin. Use it to keep little accessories like hair ties or bobby pins neat and organized. Okay, and I did, like I said, use this. I did, I'll, put a little clip in. You're probably watching it now. But anyway, yeah, I thought it was nice. The shadows went in on easy. They blended on fine. The primer worked really great. So, yeah, and the palette does have a little small mirror. And these are what the shades look like up close. Yeah, and the black really came off like a charcoal shade. And as you can see, I used the black, I used this brown, I used this color here up on the crease, and then of course I used this blue here on the lid and this deeper burgundy to darken up the crease. And these were all I used today. So yeah, this is finally a palette that I'm happy to get in my IPSY that I actually really like, and it says date tonight. So yeah, I like it. I thought it was a really neat palette, and like I said, it's one of the best that I've gotten in an IPSY box. IPSY was slacking, y'all. I was kind of on the borderline of pulling out and taking my losses, but I don't know. I'm giving them chances to get caught up with the game and kind of do things right, you know? I'm going to give them a chance. I'm going to stay down with them as long as they, remember I'm over here on the struggle bus trying to hang with them. And, it's hard when you spend your money and you're not getting a return. So I'm hoping they get that together and this box continues to get bigger, better. They've been around long enough to know how to do this right. So we're going to see. I've been with the IPSY Glam box for about a year now, so either it's going to get better or I'm going to just jump off the bus. You know what I'm saying? All right, guys. I hope you're having a wonderful, blessed day, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.